This took me 2 hours to set up and now earns every day. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where I'll show you step by step how I created an AI-powered dropshipping store that makes $5,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right. It took just 2 hours to set up, and now it brings in cash daily. You might be wondering, how is this even possible? Stay tuned to find out. First things first, what is dropshipping? Simply put, it's an online business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Once a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. The twist here is using AI to streamline the process and skyrocket your profits. Let's dive right into step 1, choosing your niche. You want to find a product category that's trending but not overly competitive. Tools like Google Trends and the Shopify app Oberlo can help. Spend about 30 minutes researching and pick a niche that excites you. Remember, passion drives success. Now, on to step 2, setting up your store. Platforms like Shopify make this super easy. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, which is perfect for beginners. Sign up and select a simple, clean theme. I recommend Debut as it's free and user-friendly. Your store should feel trustworthy and professional. Step 3, integrating AI tools. This is where the magic happens. Use tools like AliExpress Dropshipping Center to identify top-selling products and automate the order fulfillment process. Another tip, consider AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries 24/7, improving customer satisfaction and boosting sales. Don't forget step 4, pricing strategy. AI can help you set competitive prices by analyzing market data. Use apps like Prisync to stay ahead of competitors. A good rule of thumb: aim for a profit margin around 40 to 50%. This ensures you're making a solid profit on each sale. Step 5, marketing your store.